Hi guys, today I'm making a special drink for my mother. First we have chocolate and we have a glass. Next we put the chocolate in the glass. And also you can press it if you want. This is not enough. Let me go get some more chocolate. Just wait. I'm gonna go get some more chocolate. It's not enough. Here, we got some more chocolate. There. Next, we add cream. Today, my ate will go and help me to put the cream. I thought you want to stop. Stop! 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 And now we put, the last touch is to put straw and mix. Like that. Like and subscribe if you like it. And also my mother will like it. If you want to make the same, then watch my video. It's almost ready. There! Here's my brother. He loves eating watermelon. So, like and subscribe if you like it. Bye, friends!